Hey everyone, this is Ron with Keller Williams Northeast Realty with the Ron and Jill Group here in sunny Phoenix, Arizona. I'm a 20-year military vet turned real estate agent now serving the greater Phoenix area. Before we get started, please hit that subscribe button down below and turn on the bell for notifications. I plan on pushing hard and posting multiple KW Command how-to videos every week. Now, let's get to the show. Alright everybody, let's go ahead and get started with today's training. It is going to be on adding a note into one of your contacts inside of KW Command. Now, when it comes to this right here, this is part of the relationship building, things that you're observing, conversations that you had, or whatnot. And the way the notes are supposed to be used, you'll see this up here. It is different from a task and it's different from the smart plans and everything else. And like I said, this is mainly coming down to any type of relationship building or the experience that you're having with your client or your lead. You want to enter this into Command. Now, let's just say that with Joe Scruffy, we went ahead and had lunch together at Sauce recently, and he was disclosing, okay, here's what I'm looking for, here's some problems that I'm having, and he's entering in a little bit more information about him and his personal life. Now, if I was just to add an activity to it, like, okay, met up for coffee, and that's about as far as it goes without giving detailed information, you're going to lose out, okay? Now, if you go ahead and pay attention to everything that's going on, you're taking those mental notes, then you just come back over here and brain dump everything into a note. And just come over here to Notes, add a note. So put down Lunch Norterra, and right here for the description, I could just give a description of the conversation, some key points, some takeaways, little aha moments I had with them, and put all that information in there. So let's put down takeaways, accomplishments, and anything else. To be used later. Anything else to be used for later for further conversations. And pretty much that's breaking it down. And like I said, you're in this relationship building phase. And the more information you have, the more things you can pull up from previous conversations, the better off you are. Then you press save. When it comes back to the timeline, you'll see it. This entered in right here for notes. Now, another thing that I did before and everything with a different CRM, I would just go through the notes. And I could select all notes here within Command. And the only thing that's going to show up is the notes. And I could go back to previous conversations or other discussions that we had, just so I'm pushing that level a little bit closer to them either buying or selling or what I needed them to do. Also, another thing for date ranges. Let's just say that you have your client over here and there are multiple notes that are in there because you had a lot of conversations, a lot of back and forths, a lot of aha moments going on. And you could be like, you know what? Back a couple of months ago, we had a conversation and I'm trying to go ahead and put those little pieces together for a conversation. And since you took notes with it, you just come back to a date range, select whatever date range it was, and go from there. Or just scroll down throughout the whole thing. Alrighty, everybody. Hope you found this useful. Also, we started a Facebook group called KW Command Kickstart. I have a link in the description below to go ahead and join it. If you have any questions, go ahead, drop a comment below, and we will see you soon.